T plus 50 minutes and counting as Sentinel-6B currently in a coast phase on the second stage of a Falcon 9 rocket approaching Madagascar, just off the coast of South Africa at the moment. Second stage prepping, getting ready for that second burn, which is expected here at just a minute.
And that burn will be approximately 11 seconds long. The Merlin vacuum engine has a thrust level of 220,000 pounds of thrust, so very powerful engine, propelling Sentinel-6B to where it needs to be in space.
And the reason this shot is so beautiful is because of the high orbit that Sentinel-6B will be going into. It's currently at an altitude of 1,321 kilometers, traveling at a speed of 6.9 kilometers a second.
MVAC started up.
A little bit of ice buildup floating off. The engine is firing up. Our second burn.
And MVAC shut down.
As promised, it was a quick one, just over 10 seconds long. And we got the call for good nominal orbit insertion.
And that 11-second burn is going to be followed by an about 5-minute coast. And then Sentinel-6B will hopefully, we're very optimistic that it will join as part of this rich history of these sea level measuring satellites. This is the third generation of these missions, 30 years, 3 decades. Previous to this set was Jason, with Jason 3 being LSP's first SpaceX mission on a Falcon 9 rocket. Previously, these flew on United Launch Alliance's Delta II, which is now a retired rocket.
And now the spacecraft team at the ESOC, the European Space Operations Center in Darmstadt, Germany, getting ready to start looking for a signal immediately after separation. It's going to take a bit, probably about a half hour or so after separation, but they are standing by. Our time to separate is T plus 57 minutes and 13 seconds. So a little under 4 minutes from now. Sentinel-6B spacecraft. Once it separates, it will pre-sense that it has separated. It has brake wires that will break once it comes off the second stage, and that will trigger its systems to turn on and begin transmitting. Parag Bhase, the program manager for Sentinel-6 with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, told me the receiver will be always on, but the transmitter, it will take time to get it oriented in the proper orientation so that its antenna is facing down and towards Earth, so that it can be picked up by the ground stations along the path. Again, it's going into an orbit just 20 kilometers below its target orbit so that the ESOC can raise it up into the orbit. And what a view this is as you see Sentinel-6 looking over the horizon of our planet from 1,322 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. And we're now just a few seconds away from the expected big moment of separation of Sentinel-6B from the second stage of a Falcon 9 rocket. We've got a crystal clear shot of the spacecraft and the rocket.
Sentinel-6B
Less than 10
deploy
seconds from
confirmed.
separation. And there she goes. Sentinel-6B flying free. Another international partnership taking its place among the fleet of satellites tracking Earth's vital signs from 800 miles above our planet. And look at it go.
Wow, that's incredible, Daryl. And big congratulations to this team of international partners.
We just heard NASA launch manager on his net congratulating the spacecraft team. And a picture perfect separation as you're literally center of the globe watching this satellite go off to do its work. It'll be some days before it does get to work, but with that good separation just off the coast of Madagascar at an altitude of 1,321 kilometers, the team here at the ESOC, the European Space Operations Center, now searching for a signal. Just to recap, we launched at 9:21 and 42 seconds Pacific time from here at the Vandenberg Space Force Base. We saw the first stage booster do its job for about 2.5 minutes. It came back to the launch pad just about a quarter mile away.